In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover an emo account without a phone number. Let's dive into the process together and make sure you can regain access to your account smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll want to open the emo app on your device. Take a moment to locate the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. This app is the key to accessing your account, so it's essential to start here. Once you have the app opened, you're on the right track. Now, let's navigate to the settings menu within the app. You can usually find this by tapping on the profile icon or the menu icon, often located in the top corner of the screen. This step is crucial because the settings menu holds all the options you need to manage your account. Take your time to find it and don't worry if it takes a moment. With the settings menu open, look for the option labeled Change Phone Number. Selecting this option is an important step in the recovery process. It indicates that you're ready to update your account with a new phone number, which is necessary since you don't have access to the old one. Remember, this is a common step, so you're not alone in needing to do this. Once you've selected Change Phone Number, follow the prompts provided by Emo. These prompts will guide you through verifying your new number. It's important to pay attention to each prompt because they ensure that your account remains secure and accessible. This verification process is standard across many apps, reinforcing the security of your account. After you follow all the prompts, your new number should be verified. It's a straightforward process, but it requires careful attention to ensure everything is entered correctly. Once verified, you should see a confirmation appear, letting you know that your new phone number is now associated with your account. This is a reassuring step because it means you're almost done. At this point, your emo account recovery is nearly complete. With your new number verified, you should now be able to access your account without any issues. If any prompts or alerts appear, read them carefully and follow any additional instructions provided. This ensures that nothing is left unfinished. Remember, recovering your account without access to your previous phone number can feel daunting, but by following these steps carefully, you've successfully navigated the process. This method is reliable and keeps your account secure, which is always a priority. With that ready, you're now equipped to manage your emo account confidently. If you ever need to update your details again, you'll know exactly what to do. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care and happy chatting.